Your business will inevitably expand over time. And when that time comes, you'll want to add a new store to Nimbly. Here's how to do it. Go to the Admin menu. Click Manage tab and select Sites. Click the Add Site button in the upper right corner of your screen. Then you will be redirected to a registration page. Enter your site's name. You may also provide a subtitle to help you remember it. You can type in your site's location, then an option will appear. You can choose one of the locations that you might think is the correct one. If you've chosen one, the country, province, city, and coordinates will automatically be filled. Please ensure that everything is correct. Kindly set your site's time zone and check-in radius. You can also automatically assign issues from this site to a specific user by activating this feature, then select the user you want to assign. Afterward, select the department that you want to assign to this site. You can also add multiple departments to be assigned. Then, select the supervisor from each assigned department. Please note that you can only add one supervisor per department. You also need to add auditors from each assigned department. You can add multiple auditors from each department. After all the fields are filled out, click Save. And that's how you add a new site to your Nimbly.